Because it's about building learning organizations in part, you become a better learner yourself, right? So just because that's what you do every day, right? So you begin to learn. How do we learn? Well, we learn by experimentation and by successes and failures, and we learn from both successes and failures until we find better ways of doing things. And absolutely, you can do this in your personal life. You can do this when you're studying. You can do this with regular schoolwork. You can do this. I know people that have done it with how they actually do things and train their kids at home. So yeah, this can go down to every level, and it's important because it's not just about efficiency, right? Efficiency is one thing, but it's also about how do we make problems visual to us, right? How do we make our current condition visual to us? So whether that's at home or whether that's at work, it's important, right? It's important. So yes, work or at home, it all applies.